Morning students. Today we are going to start chapter number 15, probability. Probability is simply how likely something is to happen. Whenever we are unsure about the outcome of an event, we can talk about the probabilities of certain outcomes, how likely they are. The analysis of events governed by probability is called statistics. Some terms in a probability. Outcome. Outcome means one possible result of a probability. Sample space. Sample space means the list of possible outcomes for a probability event. Random. Outcomes that occur at random if each outcome is equally likely to occur. Simple event. A specific outcome or type of outcome. Complementary events. The events of one outcome happening and that comes not happening are complementary. The sum of the probabilities of complementary events is 1. What is probability? Probability is the chance that some event will happen. It is the ratio of the number of ways a certain event can occur to the number of possible outcomes. That is, P of an event E or P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes or total number of outcomes. Examples that we use a probability, throwing a dice, spinners, and throwing a coin, deck of cards. Based on that, then odd or even numbers, alphabets, etc. These are the chances you are going to get the questions in the probability. Experimental versus theoretical. Experimental probability of an event is equal to number of times event occurs by total number of trials. Theoretical probability means P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. What is experimental probability? Experimental probability is found by repeating an experiment and observing the outcomes. P of head is equal to 3 by 10 means a head shows up 3 times out of 10 trials. P of tail is equal to that if out of 10 trials 3 times a head shows means remaining times tail shows. So a tail shows 7 times out of 10 trials. That means probability of tail is equal to 7 by 10. This is experimental probability. We have to do that trials. After that, how much trials out of total trials, how much we are getting, that is experimental probability. Theoretical probability means the based on the theory how we are getting. So probability of head means 1 by 2 and probability of tail means 1 by 2. Total outcomes only 2 and out of that one outcome can be head. That is a theoretical probability here, tossing a coin. So since there are only 2 outcomes, we can tell that 50 by 50 chance to get a head or tail. Some properties of probabilities. The first property states that the probability of an event will always be a decimal or a fraction, that is between 0 and 1. 1 is inclusive. If probability of an event is 0, then we can say that that event is an impossible event. If probability of E, that means probability of an event is equal to 1, we can call that event as a certain event or sure event. Some have said that there are only 2 certainties in our life. One is death and another is taxes. The second property states that the sum of all individual probabilities of in each event of the sample space must equal 1. The important topics you are going to study in this chapter based on cards, problems based on the cards, problems based on the dice, single dice as well as double dice, then problems based on coins, 1 coin, 2 coin or 3 coins, then picking up colored balls from from baskets. So these are the important topics you are going to study in this chapter. Let us have a look of some of the experiments. First it is rolling a die. Probability of rolling a die. How many faces are there for a die? 6 faces. You can see here. One face, one dot. That means 1. Then second 2 dots. Then 3 dots. Then 4. Then 5 and 6. So total outcomes there when your die is rolled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, same dice but 2 dice. If you are rolling 2 dice, probability of rolling 2 dice, then what are the outcomes? Let us have a look. If 2 dice are rolled or thrown, which are the possible outcomes? You have possible outcomes, number of total outcomes, 36 outcomes. That is, in the first die 1 and the second die also 1. That is 1, 1. Similarly, first die 1, second die 2. So 1, 2. Like that, first die 1, second die 3. So 1, 3. So similarly 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. So if the first die 1, you have 6 outcomes. Similarly, first die 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes in the second die. So again 6 outcomes. Similarly, in the first die 3, the remaining second die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chances. So total 6 outcomes. So like that, the last 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So total 6 into 6, 36 outcomes are there for when a die is rolled twice or a double dice. You can say like that also, double dice. Now let us have a look for the different type of cards. So you can see here a full set of playing cards. Total 52 cards are there. In that here A cards, that means ace card. Ace card, how many ace cards here? 4 ace cards of different suits. Different type pictures are there now. First 2 red and next 2 black. Like that, you can see 2, number 2 card, that also 4, number 3, 4 cards, 4 number card, again 5th, 5, number 5, 4 cards, number 6, 4 cards, number 7, 4 cards, number 8, 4 cards, number 9, 4 cards, number 10, 4 cards are there, and at last, face cards. That face cards, one type of card is Jack, J, that also having 4 cards there in one deck. Then Q, that is Queen card also 4 cards. Then at last, King, K cards, that also 4 cards are there. Total 52 cards in a one deck of playing cards. Here 4 type of sweets I told now, 4 type of cards. First club, black cards, clubs and spades. The name of that symbol, that clubs and spades. Then red cards, hearts and diamonds. So in one suit 13 cards are there. Like that 13 into 4, that is 52 cards together. One more picture. That is about one suit of card. Here it is hearts card. You can see here 13 cards. First one ace card. One ace card is there. Then second onwards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means 9 cards are there that are called number cards. At last 3 cards. It shows at a face there. That is 3 face cards are there. So one suit of card consists of 13 cards like this. Now we can just have a look about this coins. If one coin is thrown, 2 outcomes, head as well as tail. When 2 coins tossed means you can have 4 outcomes. In that first coin H, second coin H, that is HH. Then HT, then TH and TT. These are the 4 outcomes when 2 coins are tossed. If 3 coins are tossed means you have 8 outcomes. So that 3 coins head, that is HHH. Then 2 coins head, that type of outcomes HHT, HTH, THH, like that 3 outcomes. Then 1 coin head, that is HTT, THT, TTH, and at last 3 coins tail, that is TTT. Like that, if 3 coins tossed, you have 8 outcomes. Total possible outcomes, number of total possible outcomes 8.